Hey guys, welcome back to your channel Dr. Battisi, and I'm your dentist Dr. Jasmine. So, aromatherapy and dentistry. I'm not sure for one person, but 99% this is the first video in India which is connecting aromatherapy with dentistry. I did a course on essential oils, perfumery, and aromatherapy. The link will be given down below, and it was such an amazing journey. So this video is about scope after BDS. This is one of the scope which you can do after BDS if you want to be an aromatherapist or you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to know more about essential oils, you want to be a trader or manufacturer of it. Even if you have farms, you want to cultivate it, this is for you. Second, you want to practice in your daily life as you want to include it as an hobby, inculcate as an hobby. Personal use, daily life for the dentist health is the number three, because as a remedy, as a therapy, because we suffer a lot of neck pain, back pain, wrist pain, shoulder pain, and of course you can get into perfumery and fragrance or flavor creation. So in aromatherapy we use just pure essential oils. Essential oils are extracts either from flowers, leaves, herbs, spices, roots, barks, fruits, and its mode of action is pharmacological, physiological, or psychological. It acts in meaning three ways, like mind, skin, on the body, and internally. Effects on the chemical processes of the body. As we all know, this body is a chemical soup. Even your happiest hormones or your saddest hormones, everything is a chemical. So it affects on your body in a chemical way. It crosses the BBB, blood brain barrier. If included in 15 minutes, it can be shown into the blood. The blood test confirms it. It can be taken into various forms, like you can have it in bath, you can inhale it like diffuser, burner, or vaporizer, you can massage it or rub it. But we should know like which is our body type before we start the aromatherapy of a person. In Ayurveda we say there are three different types of body, so we must be knowing which type of it is of that person who we are giving the therapy. And to know that, if you do not know, if you are not an expert, you can call somebody who is an expert and you can let the person know which body type it is and then continue with your therapy. So most commonly used are in dental or oral health, dental oral care, dentistry, dental oral products are peppermint, tea tree, cinnamon, thyme, fennel, clove. Clove main constituent is eugenol, and all the dentists out there must be knowing eugenol. So we already use it in dental materials. Eucalyptus, lemon, thieves, oregano, lavender, black pepper, lavender with orange. It is a published research paper. 200 patients were observed between the age 18 to 77 years, and this was used lavender with orange in the OPD rooms, and there was a significant decrease in the anxiety levels. You must be thinking like, what exactly is the use of aromatherapy? It is used in, guys, anxiety, depression, inflammation. It gives a lot of soothing effects, relaxation, pain control. While working, we are more alert. Muscle tension, sports care, sports aftercare, sprain, tiredness, irritability, lack of confidence, headaches, and migraines. All this is taken care by essential oils or the aromatherapy. But what is really important is we should know when to use what, and what is detected by the quality of what you are using. You have to know what exactly we are applying to the body, which is acting like a medication. And to this is a general video. If you want a detailed video, you have to let me know in the comment section, because it is a vast subject. Even just one essential oils, there is so much information that has to be gathered. The second is how to use it. The third is where to avoid it, like, pregnant women, some essential oils do not work there and we must not give, especially in the early pregnancies. How to store it, again, very important. Like if we do a treatment, how the patient maintains it is another road that needs to be traveled by the patient and which is of utmost importance. For aromatherapy, like the essential oils we used, the extraction process, like how we get the essential oil, is known as distillation. Distillation has various types such as water distillation, steam and water distillation, and steam distillation. And to check quality, there are different graphs which we read, different machines are used for that. And you know what beautiful thing, when I got this subject and when I studied it, I realized that each color has its own texture. Without even you seeing the color, you can recognize which exactly that color is. Like yellow is slippery, red is sticky, and there is a correlation between color, odor, and sound. So some people can even distinguish it colors, like without actually touching those colors or touching those objects. Isn't that beautiful? What I like the most is we are taking from the nature, we are applying on what is made from nature, and it's just beautiful. I heard it somewhere, like, we should not be eating those things which we cannot apply on our skins, or we should not apply those things on our skins which we cannot eat it. So, aromatherapy is beautiful in whichever way you want to use it or get in touch with it. When I went to FRI, Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, we actually saw how the essential oils are extracted through the process of distillation. And while we were getting the demo done, there was basil and there was eucalyptus oil that we really saw coming out of that. And it was such a beautiful thing because you are sitting surrounded by aromas and fragrances, and we actually learned how to smell. And there are perfumers experts who just smell, whose job is to smell. And how to neutralize your nose, you have to breathe in the fresh air. And somebody who was my colleague there, who I met, and she is really a pro in that, so she suggested that while you have to smell a lot of smells, so to neutralize your nose, you have to smell your skin. For that, you should not apply anything. So while she used to go to her office or workplace, no lotions, nothing at all, nothing. So it has to be completely neutral. So when I realize this, it's a complete zone, complete area of expertise, and it's so beautiful. See you guys very soon in the next video on Dr. Battisi. Till then, keep smiling healthy and happy smelling. Take care. Bye.